Carl Jung, a renowned psychiatrist, once unveiled a hidden truth about women that shocked even his colleagues. He claimed there is one primary instinct that truly drives women's desire. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of human psychology with a special focus on the enigmatic nature of women. Our esteemed guest for today's discussion is none other than Carl Jung, a name synonymous with groundbreaking theories in the field of psychiatry. Jung proposed a concept so audacious it shook the very foundations of how we understand female desire. But what is this instinct, and how can men leverage it to become irresistible to women? One archetype that stands out is the anima, which represents the feminine principle in all individuals, regardless of their biological sex. Well, according to Jung, the anima is deeply connected to the concept of wholeness. In other words, women instinctively seek partners who can complement and complete their sense of self. Jung suggested that the anima acts as a guide, leading women towards individuals who embody the qualities they subconsciously desire in a partner. For Jung, the anima was not just a psychological concept, but a doorway to understanding the very essence of femininity. Jung argued that these qualities can be summed up in three: acceptance, understanding, and appreciation. If he aligns with this ideal, she will naturally experience a surge of desire. It means acknowledging her beauty, intelligence, and the myriad of positive qualities she possesses. They offer a roadmap to navigating the complexities of human relationships and the psyche. Jung's work serves as a guiding light, illuminating the depths of our collective unconscious and the powerful forces that shape our desires and motivations. Appreciation is the icing on the cake, the finishing touch that makes a woman feel cherished and adored. And what theories would be complete without considering their impact on relationships? Jung believed that the very essence of desire lay in its paradoxical nature. This is where your understanding of the feminine ideal comes into play. By consistently demonstrating acceptance, understanding, and appreciation, you can navigate this tightrope with grace. Ultimately, the best way to understand and connect with a woman is through open communication, mutual respect, and a willingness to understand her as an individual. However, when desire is seemingly absent, the seesaw balances perfectly, intensifying the feeling of longing. Now it's time to bring all of this knowledge together and apply it to real-world scenarios. While Jung's theories offer a wealth of insight, it's important to recognize their limitations. Every woman is unique, shaped by a multitude of factors beyond the scope of any single theory. You have listened attentively, asked thoughtful questions, and shown empathy towards her experiences. As the night draws to a close, you understand that you have done something remarkable. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the fascinating world of female psychology and Jungian thought. We hope that you have gained valuable insights that will enrich your understanding of women and relationships. You have connected with this woman on a profound level, igniting a spark that could lead to something extraordinary. As you continue to explore the depths of human psychology, keep in mind that every woman is a unique tapestry, woven with a myriad of experiences and emotions. While theories provide a helpful framework, it is in the details, the small gestures and heartfelt connections, that you will truly capture their hearts. Your appreciation has shown through in the compliments you have paid and the kindness you have displayed. Without realizing it, you have created a connection that goes beyond the superficial. This paradox is at play in all aspects of human desire, including female desire. In other words, desire is most intense when it is both present and absent simultaneously, and what a journey it has been. We began by exploring his concept of the collective unconscious and how it shapes our desires through archetypes like the anima. You've already discovered the powerful role of the anima in driving female desire and the importance of embodying the feminine ideal. There is always more to discover, more connections to make, and more mysteries of the human psyche to explore. Until next time, keep an open mind, Embrace curiosity and never stop seeking understanding in the intricate dance of human relationships. To show appreciation, express your admiration openly, celebrate her achievements, and make her feel loved. You notice she seems drawn to you, but you can't quite put your finger on it. As you recall our discussions, a smile gradually spreads across your face. You realize that you have been embodying the qualities of the feminine ideal without even realizing it. But how can you practically apply this knowledge in your interactions with women? Conversely, when a potential partner is too readily available, it can diminish her desire. This is why playing hard to get is often mentioned as a tactic to increase desirability. By creating a sense of scarcity, you inadvertently heighten the perceived value of yourself and increase her desire for you. By letting her know how much you appreciate her, you will set her heart aflutter. Conversely, if you fall short of the mark, her desire will wane. It's like an invisible compass guiding her heart towards the man who embodies the qualities she holds most dear. It requires empathy, the ability to see things from her point of view and emotionally connect with her experiences. Understanding is the key to unlocking the depths of a woman's heart. To cultivate understanding, practice active listening, ask thoughtful questions, and show genuine empathy. By making an effort to see the world through her eyes, you will forge a bond that runs deeper than skin deep. These are the cornerstones of what Jung termed the feminine ideal. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Women desire men who accept them for who they are, flaws and all. It means creating a safe space where she feels comfortable being her authentic self without fear of judgment or ridicule. Acceptance is the foundation upon which trust and emotional intimacy are built. To demonstrate acceptance, listen attentively to her, validate her feelings, and respect her opinions. By embracing her for who she is, you will capture her heart and mind. But before we dive into the depths of his theory, allow me to ask you a simple yet profound question. The answer lies in understanding and embracing the feminine ideal. By cultivating the qualities of acceptance, understanding, and appreciation, men can position themselves as the missing piece of a woman's desire. What do you think drives a woman's desire? Is it beauty, wealth, or something more intangible? Let your thoughts flow freely in the comments below. Now let's turn our attention to the main attraction, Carl Jung, and his trailblazing theories on female psychology. At first glance, Jung's ideas may seem like a cryptic puzzle, but fear not, dear viewers, for we shall unravel them together. Jung's theory revolves around a central concept, the collective unconscious. According to Jung, beneath the surface of our individual psyches lies a deeper layer of shared human experiences and memories known as the collective unconscious. This collective unconscious is like an immense library filled with the accumulated wisdom and experiences of our ancestors. And here's where things get really intriguing. Jung believed that within this collective unconscious lies a vast storehouse of archetypes, which are essentially universal symbols and patterns of behavior. So what does the anima have to do with female desire? Now let's take a closer look at the qualities women are subconsciously programmed to seek. When a woman interacts with a man, her anima takes center stage, silently evaluating him against the backdrop of her own internalized feminine ideal. But how can men harness this knowledge to become more desirable to women? Let's explore each of these qualities and discuss how they can be cultivated. First and foremost, acceptance. Next, understanding. Women are drawn to men who can comprehend their unique perspective on the world. Finally, appreciation. Women yearn for men who appreciate them, who recognize and value their worth. As you continue on your journey to understand Jungian psychology, remember that these concepts are not mere theories. We have now reached the halfway mark of our exploration into Jung's trailblazing theories on female psychology. But now we delve into a concept that will truly test your understanding, the paradoxical nature of desire. Imagine a seesaw with desire on one side. When desire is abundantly present, the seesaw tips too far and desire can diminish. For women, the absence of a partner can intensify their desire for love and companionship. However, striking the right balance can be tricky. It is a tightrope walk between showing enough interest to keep her engaged while not giving away too much to diminish her desire. These qualities signal your reliability and emotional depth, assuring her that when you are ready to fully commit, you will be a steadfast and loving partner. Jung's ideas should be viewed as a lens through which we can better understand the complexities of female psychology and desire. We have reached the final leg of our incredible journey through Jung's revolutionary theories on female psychology. Then we delved into the paradoxical nature of desire, learning how to skillfully navigate its complexities to create a lasting connection. You've learned that women are subconsciously programmed to seek partners who embody the feminine ideal, characterized by acceptance, understanding, and appreciation. Picture yourself at a social gathering, engaging in conversation with a woman you find intriguing. Throughout the evening, you have shown genuine acceptance of her opinions and feelings. She feels seen, heard, and valued by you, and she is drawn to the depth and sincerity you bring to the interaction. And it all started with a simple understanding of Jungian psychology and the feminine ideal. Remember, the key to unlocking a woman's heart lies in understanding and embracing the feminine ideal, where acceptance, understanding, and appreciation form the very foundation. If you found this discussion enlightening and would like to dive deeper into the realm of human psychology, we invite you to check out our other videos on male psychology and the art of seduction.